Go to Select, Subject. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the subject in a new layer. Go to Select, Subject. Go to Select, Modify, Expand. I expand the selection by 15 pixels, but you can also use a different amount. Go to Select, Modify, Smooth. I use a radius of 5 pixels. Select the pen tool. Select Path. Go to Window, Paths. Make work path from selection. Make shape. Open the Layers panel and place the shape layer below the layer with the subject. Select Shape and adjust the fill color to your liking. Add a drop shadow. Adjust the settings to your liking. You can keep it like this, or you can add a solid color layer for the background. Place the color fill layer below the shape layer. And that's how you outline your subject.